how we get views, how we people, how in our country earn from Facebook, how we make more dollars, how we viral the videos, how we do it. You should understand for working on Facebook in CMAT and achieving quick success, you should have premium traffic groups or premium traffic pages. Understand must this listen it carefully, very carefully understand this. My friend, you should understand what is premium. Premium country means like we understand. We think premium country are like UK, USA, Canada, Australia, like this, where pound, euro, and dollars. Understand? These are premium traffics. So, if a video, video, if a reels watched by premium people, traffic means people here. So, if the video is watched by premium traffic, understand again. So, the dollars or your income will be more. So, how we can get traffic? This is a question. So, there are two or three methods. Understand? Facebook, viral pages like how it made a Facebook page. I will show you first, then we will go to. You can see this is a page. If you have performance bonuses, like if you have performance bonuses or any other things in CMS, so what you can do, you can talk, you can ask, you have to ask to the admin of this page, because this have 2.3 million followers and like this same. So you have to ask this as admin, you have to talk this admin, page admin. It's like a more page. Means it's up to you. I am just giving you hint. So you will ask, you will pay monthly rent to this admin, like $20, $50, $100 per month. How much he will ask, it's up to you, up to him. So you will give rent to this page owner, and you will posting there daily 5 posts, 10 posts there. Understand? So here are other pages as well. You can see here like this. This is what. So means you have to talk to the Facebook followers, the Facebook page which have more followers, million followers. You can talk to a page owner, page admin. Uh, you need a page on rent, and you will posting there. Okay, like that. I just show you. Here is one person told me. He just showed me. He just showed me that page. He showed me. Uh, this is a page, one page, and he showed me. He will give me a page or group on rent. This 5 posts a day, USDT Binance, and this is what is written here? I am just $100. I think this is $100 per day. This is $100 per day. Okay. Oh, sorry, $130 here is written, right? So we have to see. We have to see which type of group that means. In market, people sell traffic, but you are living in USA. You should yourself talk to the USA people, page admin who have million followers. Ask them, talk them. I need their page on rent. Look like now. This is a page. This is a page you can talk to admin. But I'm just, this is example. You have to find means extra means another a page according to your content which you are uploading. Okay, and find page and or group and talk to the. This is a group. You can also same page or group, anything. So like this you can see. This is very good for perform bonus. If you have understand my question again, understand my, if you have perform bonus, understand, if you have perform bonus, and how to get more likes. This is the main question. How? So if you share the picture, if you share the picture which you made from any, this is memes, I think this is meme. If this is girl, any accounts, maybe she bought from any other. This is not real accounts, maybe she just shared the pictures, she shared the memes of performance bonuses in this group, and she got 475 likes. Understand? And and more again, this she got 575 likes. And why we are using this page? Because in this page, mostly mostly people of USA. In this page, in this group, mostly people are from USA. Therefore, we use this people, we use this page, this group. if if the people from Asian, Indian, or any other countries, not premium countries, we never use this page, we never use this group, we never buy rent this, because we need only more premium, like USA, UK pages where premium traffic means the 2.3 million members. It means maybe 2 million or 1.5, 1.8 million members of pure USA, and remaining others countries, but it can be earning more, like that. Understand this? So you already know this is maybe 1.5. This is in stream ads. This video is of in stream ads. Understand? May someone also paid rent to him for in stream ads. And if you are seeing pictures, maybe they are working on performance bonuses. Okay. So understand how people use traffic. Okay. So one person send me the detail, the group rent, right? This. He also give me the Binance ID. So you will find yourself. You will find yourself groups owner, uh, and should be the active groups, and as well as pages, and as well as pages. Both. If you have, if you have a person, your friend, any colleague, which have a pages of million members or groups, you can give page. You can buy a page from them on rent. You should have premium traffic groups or premium traffic pages. How to find? And moreover, there also are free premium groups in Facebook. If you search, there are also free groups where you can post and it will automatically will be posted. But in mostly on Facebook, if when you post it on Facebook groups, they will decline your post. Whenever you never talk to the admin of the Facebook pages or groups admin, when you talk to the Facebook page admin or Facebook groups admin, talk to them and ask them, I will pay you rent. First talk, first talk means like that. We made this page of dogs love, right? We made, so you will join the Facebook groups or pages of dogs, like means dogs groups, means when I search here dogs, uh, they will, means they can be automatically post your videos or pictures, like this love dog. We have to join this. Maybe he maybe first you have to also check, first you also have to check the members are of USA, means like more people of USA or any other country. This is up to you how you can check. So when I post there, when I when you post there, like if you have high dogs, when you post, they will I think approved, but like that. You have to find also groups admin submitted. Look like, thanks for your post. It has been submitted to group for admin for approval. It's you have to talk before to the group admins. Understand? When you will talk to the group admin, he will they will, or maybe he will ask you to post like this, and maybe he take rent and moreover. Okay, and how to talk them? This up to you. It's your experience. You can also see how can like that. This not post is pending. Okay, like that. Look, 5 day ago, how like this she put it, like this. Though only dog post will be approved there. Okay, like this. When you have page of cats, you will find the groups of cats. Okay, you will talk to them, you will talk to the groups admin. Okay, so when you have 10 accounts, you will share that pictures from 10 accounts in different accounts, in different means groups or pages, because more and more is very necessary. So how to find free premium groups? I just told you free premium groups. Maybe this is maybe if you, this is free. I think this is free. If you post their dog's picture in this mean, I just written here like this. I just write here that like, if I post there, if I post in this group like dog's picture, maybe they will approve. So this is called free premium groups. If not approved, continuously not approved, that means they give on rent. So go to the search bar and search for groups related to your niche. Niche means, understand? Our niche was, I made group for dogs. If your niche for models, if your niche for cats, if your niche for any other things, you will find others. Okay, so you will find several groups in front of you like this. If someone finds Indian dramas groups, so drama groups come here. Open the group open the group related to your niche and click on the icon with arrow icon in the bottom and right corner of the group called for two, and you will see. And you will see. And you will also find a group your niche like this. There is no recommend to show. Explore groups like this. We have seen other groups, means related to dogs groups we can see. Okay, so if you talk to them, if you have 2 million traffic, understand my question. If you have 1 to 2 million traffics of same niche, you can earn thousands of dollars from Facebook because you have traffic. Traffic is the main thing. Traffic is the main thing. Traffic is the main thing. You have performance bonus, you have ads on reels. You can earn just selling and buying. When you have traffic, you can earn yourself as well. You can earn buying and selling, and as well as when you have traffic, you can earn yourself as well from Facebook. Understand? So traffic is must, traffic is necessary for you. How to make traffic? You can make traffic on yourself as well as how when you upload reels on face on page, follower 10K follower, 20K follower, people come on your page, 100K followers, but the follower people obviously you are living in USA, the followers will become from Facebook from USA. When 100K followers, 20K followers, you can use that page as a traffic. Traffic means people who will watch your video. So like this, you can check, you can add, you can talk to all the uh, groups. You have at least 1 to 2 million traffic combinedly. Like this, 400K like this you have, 120K like this have. Combinedly, you have 2 million, 3 million traffic. You can earn, I guaranteed you can earn 2,000, 5,000, $10,000 from Facebook. If you, because you are already are living in USA, you can also have, you can have obviously you have Facebook performance bonuses or in stream ads or ads on reel. Of course, people watch your videos when you have traffic. Obviously, people if your videos are not viral yourself, you have to, because when you upload a video on Facebook, video need some push recommendation. Okay, so how can we push the video for views? When we have traffic. When we have traffic. When we have traffic, then video can be pushed to for views for virals. Understand? Auto approval groups. What are approval groups? Where we don't need any approval from admins. This they are called. Hmm. And you have to join the groups where 10 plus posts are per day. This is on rent. This will be on rent. This will be on rent. This will be on rent. But this will not. Where 10 plus days a post. 10 plus days post is not a. Okay. So we go forward. After joining the groups, refrain from posting in the group for 3 days. After joining the groups, means if I join the group, you will not posting in 3 days. You will not post in group 3 days. Even after 3 days, the group admin do not approve your post. Request the group admin stating that you want to contribute the group and become the top contributor. I think you can talk to them. Talk to the group admin that stating that you want to contribute the group. Talk to them. Tell to them that you have same niche. For a few days, only upload picture related to the group's niche. Group niche. Okay. Only upload a picture related to the group niche. Mean if have if a group of dogs, you will upload the pictures of dogs. Don't rush in finding groups. Only 5 to 8 groups for yourself. 5 to 8 groups, but good members, means 5 to 8 groups should have 2 million combinedly members. It's enough for you. If you do this work consistently for a few days, you will realize you will start getting traffic from those groups, and there is a chance of 80% to get posted. You will be approved. Okay. From that groups, the traffic will come on your pages, and your pages will also be a type of traffic. You when you have 50 pages of 100K followers like that, you have 2 million traffic. So it means you have also traffic. So you can also sell that traffic. You can give rent on traffic. You can sell the pages. You can buy the pages. You can earn from yourself from Facebook by sharing your performance bonuses on that page. I think we should stop there.
Yes.
So we will tomorrow at 7 a.m. from Pakistan time. we will start again. So try to make new accounts. Try to make, if you are try to make Outlook, make new accounts on Outlook, 5 account minimum, and try to make 5 new pages on one Facebook account, and different niche like cats, dogs, gyms videos, animals videos, like that. Okay. Any question?
You you gonna repost the pre-recorded video in the group? I seen
Yes.
somebody was recording it.
Yes, this video is already recorded and I will send to the drive link and you can watch from there. Okay, and if you have any question, if you have any question, any problem, you can just post in group and I will answer you and I will reply you. Okay, if you have any problem facing anything, you can send me in group. I will reply you. I will tell you how to do it. Okay.